Hello friends, today we are going to talk about 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule. This is also known as triple 8 rule. Let's study deep into this. Okay friends, so what is this 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule? The triple 8 rule is a simple, popular time managing and life balancing method. It divides the 24 hours into 3 equal parts, which means 3 8 hours in our day. Let's discuss first 8 hours. In the first 8 hours, we work. Work means neither roaming in internet or chatting with others while working. Jack Ma has said, today is hard, tomorrow will be worst, but day after tomorrow will be sunshine if you keep working. You have to give full attention to what you are doing now. Let's discuss our second 8 hours. In here, we are only sleeping. But sleeping is not roaming internet nor messaging with friends. Sleep programs you for your next day and it helps to recharge your ideas. Let's discuss the last and third 8 hours. These hours are for think about yourself. This divides for three main parts. They are leisure activities, family and exercise. Let's talk about leisure activities. This is a time for do some work for your happiness. In here, you can listen to a music, go to a park, you can do some of your hobbies, you can do anything for your happiness. Now we are talking about family. This is the time for stay with your family, the people you love, and this is the time for feel it. You can watch a movie with them, have a picnic with family, you can do whatever you want to do with them. Now it's time for think about your health. You can eat healthy meals like vegetables, meat. You can avoid harmful meals like pizza, burgers. You can play with your friends and also you can exercise in this time. So, what are the importance of 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule? You can prevent stress, improves physical and mental health, encourages balanced daily routine, helps people to manage time, helps to decrease timing problems. These are the importance of this method. Finally, like and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment for your next video. Thank you.